Check 1 2. Mic check 1 2 3 4. How's my mic volume? How's the sound volume? Let me know. If you want the mic louder, put mic. If you want the song louder, put song. Who's ready? Smash that like button if you're ready. We're getting started here in about 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Who's ready for the mega giveaway tomorrow? 25 ounces of silver, pounds of copper, and some gold. Who's gonna win it?
Tokyo nights to Rio sun, from Arctic ice to island drums, every stamp on my page.
They said we were crazy. They said silver would never break 20. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Now we're pushing back. Who's ready? We're going to get started here in 6 minutes. That's all of you right there. That's all of you. Let's go.
Rise like a tidal wall.
Get them up.
treasure, riches untold. International stacker.
Who's ready?
Say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more. Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways.
4-minute warning. Top off your drinks, grab a snack. We're going to jump in and cover the close of this market. We're going to have fun, and then channel members, we will be going to the war room as well. Who's ready?
Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker that mill. So hit that slow, join the quest. Riches await. You're the best international stacker. Stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong.
If you're ready, smash that like button, drop a crab in the chat. We're getting started here in 3 minutes. Buckle up.
So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await. You're the best international stacker. Stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill.
This is live, and we'll be covering it in 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Who's ready?
Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase. Treasure gleaming, golden space. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party night and day.
2 minutes. Who's ready? Smash that like. We're about to get started here.
Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me. Gold and silver, who wants it all? Are you ready for the mega gall? We're the crew, the Shell Brigade. Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up, don't delay.
Drop those crabs in chat if you're ready. We're getting started here. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Smash the like, share the stream. We're about to cover the market close, and boy, are gold and silver pushing.
Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean
Come on.
nation, dance with me.
Let's go.
Tidal
1 minute warning.
sand, shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew, the Shell Brigade. Treasures found, the music's played.
Here we go.
Get your claws up in
Yes.
the sky. International stacker.
Who's ready?
He's our guy. Gold and silver.
30-second warning. A 30-second warning. Do you guys want the old school intro, or do you want the little kid intro? Let me know right now.
Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, and I'm coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Boy, oh boy, are we in for an explosive end of the trading day today. 1,800 videos around the world. This video right here, I'm dropping the link in chat. I'm giving away 25 ounces of silver. I'm giving away pounds of copper, and I'm giving away some gold. You've got to be subscribed, so hit that subscribe button first, and then enter the mega giveaway. It closes tonight at 11:59 p.m. It's your last chance. And in this video I just dropped this morning, the Prague Coin Show, that has the last Megaga password in it. So don't go miss that. And please watch it all the way through. And breaking, the bankers, the big banking cabal is in total disarray as they continually try to smash silver down, but like a crustacean crab or trapped in a hole, we keep clawing our way up. And look at this, silver's currently trading at $77.73. The market's going to be closing here in just 21 minutes and 10 seconds. So far today, we got up to $78.16 after these little dirty scoundrels crashed us all the way down. I've got to change the skill here. All the way down to $64.66. So from $64.06 back up right now to $77.77. And ladies and gentlemen, let's check the futures. 77.29 here. Hold up, 77.29. Ladies and gentlemen, second alert. We are in full-blown backwardation. That is when the silver futures price is currently cheaper, less expensive than the spot price. That signals instability in the system. The system is breaking, a lack of physical silver in the big bullion banks. So, ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. This is going to be an explosive last 21 minutes here. Our next target is 78.16. Let's see if we can make it there. We're not far away. And let's check out gold. Gold is pushing back. Channel members, that looks like a BGC if I've ever seen one. That stands for a big green candle. And again, everyone joining the name's International Stacker, I'm giving away some silver, gold, and copper. I put the link in chat. This is your last chance to enter it. You got to be subscribed for that. Let's go over here. Shanghai closed at $85.84. And thank you so much, Villigid. Thank you so much for gifting that International Stacker membership and for being a channel member. And that went to Christopher Hinckley. Congratulations, Christopher. Check out your new custom channel member emojis, and I'll be seeing you in the war room at the end of the stream. All channel members, we are going to the war room at the end of the stream. You should be taken automatically. And a big shout out to all the Diamond Claw members on the channel. And I had to make a second one. Shout out to all the Diamond Claws. Who in chat has Diamond Claws?
Diamond claws.
And that's right, the Shanghai Futures Exchange closed at $85.14. This is looking like it's going to be a gap up upon open here. So when this sucker opens, the next time it's going to be opening, I will be streaming. That will be Sunday evening at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll probably be live Sunday evening, maybe 5:30-ish, maybe 6:30-ish. I'm not sure yet, but Sunday evening I will be live streaming for the Shanghai Futures Exchange. And just looking at the way this is building up, you got a slight upward trajectory. You got some okay volume, a big green candle. That is probably going to be gapping up when that opens. Silver to gold ratio is just creeping along here, 63.82 to 1, but I believe that's going to be crashing here shortly. And that's a good thing. It's a good thing for the gold to silver ratio to be crashing because that means silver is getting up there. It's pushing back, and we're back up to $77.71. This is a 9.54%. 9.54% raise on the day. And again, gold here is so close to 5,000. It's at 4,962. Gold is up on the day at 3.8%. So the metals are definitely pushing back, but I've got some news for you guys right now. And there's 18 minutes left until the market closes, so we're going to be watching that. But here's some news. So, first off, make sure you follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, Intl-Stacker, just so you can stay up on things. I tweet stuff out here. I put out news before I ever go live, or even if I'm not live. So if you want to stay updated, you got to follow me there. But let's look at what happened yesterday. Stock markets were down big time yesterday. And by big, I mean absolutely massive. Cryptocurrencies, it was a bloodbath yesterday, as well as gold and silver. Look at the, oh, I lost that. The Amazon itself was down by like 15%. But today, the markets have fully reversed. Look at this. Dow surges more than 1,000 points to hit 50,000 for the first time in a massive snapback. Look at this. S&P 500, NASDAQ, all higher. Guys, the mining stocks, if you're into those, have all rebounded higher. And shout out to Carl Watches. Thank you for becoming a channel member. I'll be seeing you at the end of this live stream in the War Room. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. It's a channel member only live stream. So thank you for that. But breaking news that broke this morning, thanks to Clive Thompson. So I put this out this morning. And it says, March may break the COMEX. There is not enough silver for delivery. This may force cash settlement or worse. March is one of the busiest delivery months, and we are currently looking at approximately 300 million ounces being demanded for delivery. Currently, the COMEX has 103 million ounces. That's right now. That's not counting February deliveries. Having lost 38% of the total eligible stocks in just the past 3 months alone. So over the last 3 months, they've lost 38% of silver they had in the vault that was eligible, and now it's down to 103. Many think this is going to be down to the 80s by the time we get to March. And currently, if 100% of people requested delivery, that'd be 300 million ounces. It's probably not going to be that. Some people are going to take it early. Some people are going to get paid off and roll it over, or just roll it over. But ladies and gentlemen, we are in for a complete shock here. It's looking like the COMEX may be short 215 million ounces of silver in March per Clive Thompson. So I put this tweet out. You got to watch this video. It is just such a good video. Clive is meticulous. He gets all the news in there and everything. I also broke this morning. Now look at the COMEX here. This is their data. This is their data. Breaking of the last 9 days of trading on the COMEX. This is their data. 7 of those days were over 1 billion ounces of fake paper silver that was traded. This is not normal. In 2025, I can only find 22 days over 1 billion ounces traded, all near the latter part of the year. Is 1 billion ounces a day the new normal? Remember, we produce approximately 835 million ounces of silver annually and consume more than 1.2 billion. Guys, remember, none of the fundamentals have changed. Silver, best conductor of electricity in the world. Silver, most reflective metal in the world. Silver, some of the best thermodynamic properties in the world. Silver, it's antibacterial. It's even in Mrs. International Stacker's yoga pants. None of the fundamentals have changed. We've been in a deficit now for 6+ years. 1980 and 2011, we were in a silver production mining surplus. This is not like those years because we've been in a silver production and deficit for 6+ years now. 2016 we hit peak mining, and every year since then it's decreased 1 to 3%. The only way to fix it is more mines, and those take 10 to 15 years to open. And now in December, the United States deemed silver as a strategic metal, as well as China, and other countries followed suit. And now we saw just the other day, the president, the administration announced that they already have a stockpile of critical minerals for the military. We're already stacking silver, but now they're doing another stockpile of critical minerals to the tune of $12 billion for the big businesses, for civilians. So ladies and gentlemen, this was minted from the U.S. strategic stockpile in the 80s when they sold it off. And just now again, the United States government is stacking gold and silver again. And look at this data here. This is 1.8 billion, 1.36 billion, 1.02 billion, 1.134 billion, 1.842 billion, 1.06 billion. These look small, but that was still 751 million. That was still 697 million and 1.04 billion. Here's what I want to ask you guys. Today's bar, we will not see it till tomorrow. Is today another billion ounce traded day? Put billion in chat if you think so. And guys, the name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida. Tomorrow in the mega giveaway, I'm giving away 25 ounces of silver. I'm giving away pounds of copper, and I'm giving away some gold. You've got to be subscribed to enter it, and I just put the link in chat. Do not be one of the ones that misses out, as silver is pushing higher at $77.76, and the market closes in 13 minutes. 13 minutes till the market closes, and this is kind of just sitting here. What is going on, guys? Are they playing games? Look, okay. Okay, it's moving. 77.77. So it's fighting for its life. As a matter of fact, gold's getting a little bit of an attack here. What are we going to finish, guys? I would love to finish above 78.16. Let's see if we can do it. There's one thing we can do on this channel that some scientists say works 90% of the time, all the time, to turn a red candle green or help a green candle become a BGC, a big green candle. Ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
I'm telling you, it was massive. It was actually a big ol' iguana. You guys, that was in Boca Raton. You're telling me to try to signal a gator. I was playing around, and for a second, I thought I actually summoned one. That was crazy. Wow! And shout out to Secret Silver for becoming a Diamond Claws member. I'll see you in the War Room at the end of this live stream. All channel members, I'll see you all in the War Room. And again, a big shout out to all the Diamond Claw members here. You really help support the channel out a lot. And look at this one. We got to fill this one up. So thank you. I'm going to be adding you to that chart, Silver Secret. Who in chat has diamond claws? Who has diamond hands?
Diamond claws.
Who's got them? And ladies and gentlemen, that's a BGC if I've ever seen one. Whoa! AG Farmer just became a Diamond Claws member. Thank you so much, AG Farmer. You are mega. Who's going to win the Mega God tomorrow, guys? That live stream is going to be absolutely insane. You guys don't want to miss it. If you go to my channel videos, click live. And the live stream is already up. So if I was you, I would go to this live stream. So go to my channel, click live and latest. I would go there and bookmark it. So you guys do not miss it, because someone always sleeps through or always misses it. I always get the message, dang it, I missed it. So welcome everybody to chat. And we've got just 10 minutes and 30 seconds here left. But there's a few more breaking news I wanted to cover. So we covered that one. So let's get rid of that. Thank you, episode 1, for the super chat and for being a channel member. First time in Lebanon, waiting 34 days for delivery. If you're talking about Lebanon, the country, I'll say Shufi Mafi, and the response would be Mafi Shi. That's something specific to Lebanon. I've been there. I've been to Beirut about 5 times. I was a spy in the war room, says Piotrick. You sure were. And just Dario was just reported this the other day. This is breaking. That happened. I think I reported on this yesterday morning or yesterday evening. I can't quite remember. But basically, on February 5th, 2026, 6 groups of accounts under actual control exceeded the daily trading volume limit for relevant contracts, reaching the exchange's processing standard. The aforementioned clients' trading activities violated Article 16. Article 16 violation. Article 16 violation. Not sure what Article 16 is, but it sounds serious. Shanghai Futures Exchange abnormal trading behavior management measures, and the exchange decided to take regulatory measures to restrict the opening of positions. Ladies and gentlemen, abnormal trading behavior on the Shanghai Futures Exchange. The same night it came crashing down. This night, they detected 6 accounts with abnormal trading. So they shut them down, but not quick enough because they crashed it. So that's breaking. The Shanghai Futures Exchange put up their margins by 1% from 20 to 21. And then the COMEX said, here, hold my drink. The COMEX effective end of day today. The margins are going from a notional rolling 15% to 18%. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. Remember, margin nukes. If you want to find out what that is, go to my channel, click videos latest. Down here, emergency alert, banker slam, silver, hard, can the market survive? I explain what a margin nuke is, the history of them, etc. But these in 1980 and 2011 worked to help crash the market, but they're not working this time. And I spoke about why in that video, so make sure you guys go watch that. That margin nuke's been launched. Last night, Thailand Futures Exchange temporarily suspended operations. Also last night, China's UBS SDIC Silver Future Fund suspended operations, but they're back now. Ladies and gentlemen, we're in for a wild ride. We just got 8 minutes left here. What's the COMEX going to do? And breaking news. I've got live feed right now from the COMEX.
Dudley spent a fallen hard with one arm on the top. Oh my God. Oh no, he's not. Major choke slam.
Wow. Poor Mortimer. Soulkeeper sent that in, guys. Soulkeeper sent that in. So that's a fun one. And we are just 7 minutes here. 7 minutes here from the market close. What's going to happen? They were trying to push gold, but look at this. Gold reversed that. The baby gator must have worked for both charts. So if we could just break above that blue line there, we should move pretty decisively here. Here we go. Our goal, our next target is 4,971.73 gold. And silver, we really want to break 78.16. I mean, it's not necessary. It's just niceties at this time. So we'll see what happens there. Okay. Let's see if we're still in backwardation. 77.48. Oh, yeah. We're still at full-blown backwardation. Full-blown. Wow. All right, I'm going to look at questions in chat. If you've got questions, make sure you put at Intl-Stacker. So it hops out to me. It will show it an orange. You got to put at Intl-Stacker. And again, you got to be subscribed to enter my mega giveaway. 25 ounces of silver, pounds of copper, and some gold. And guys, we're currently at 62,608 subscribers. Thank you so much. That means only 92 subscribers until the next big show. Woo! 6 minutes. 6 minutes until the market closes here. YouTube is suppressing your channel. No notifications till now. Sorry, Ahuski, but I'm glad you found me. Welcome. The best way to help, guys, is to smash the like button. We've got 1,500 people on right now, but only 345 likes. So by hitting that like button, you're going to help this get out to more people that want to be here in the stream. So please smash it. We're only 50 away from 400. And whoever gets the 400th like is going to get good luck for 14 years. So who's it going to be? Big shout out to Steel City Stacker. Crustacean Commander, thank you for doing that. Check out your custom channel member emojis, and I'll see you in the war room at the end of the stream. That's right, I'm doing a channel members only live stream here on YouTube at the end of this stream. You'll be taken automatically if you're a channel member. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Clothing is not optional. Silver will go to 100 over the next week, maybe, says Lost Gaming. It's possible, Lost Gaming. What I would really like for silver to do is to consolidate and kind of move sideways and slowly up for maybe the next week. That's what I would love. It would really consolidate. This is a strong level to be at. So I'm hoping we can move sideways and slightly up over the next week, but you never know. You never know. $10 swings have become normal with silver. So we'll see what happens there. But anything's possible at this point. What is the second code for the guy? You gotta figure it out. I ain't gonna leak it. Maybe go to the Discord. My Discord, somebody might help you out on there. How do I get them diamond claws? Episode 1, you got to click on your emojis. So you click on your emojis here. And then all the channel member emojis are here. And this is the diamond claws. That's how you get them. Hope that helps. Okay, we got that. David Jensen, this is from Quad Silver. David Jensen had an interview yesterday with Liberty Finance where he covered hidden circuit breakers that were triggered. He covers why 10% ones didn't. Thank you, Quad. I'll check that out. Now, with the silver price going insane, it's normal, guys. It's normal right now to... it's normal now. Wait, 62.6. Yeah, that's what we had when we started the stream. We got to get to 62.7 for the big show. It's normal to feel a little lonely. So who's got the best pickup line right now? I met a girl in Poland, deep in the Germanium Mint. She's looking for a suitor. Her name is Viola.
What's the robot's name?
Viola.
Viola.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's different. Oh, Viola. And Corey Wolfart's channel member, thank you for the support, saying, sold my SLV shares. That's an ETF for silver, guys. Before drop at 4X and 3X original investment, moved into mining stocks. Congratulations, Corey. I hope you got those mining stocks at all-time lows. And thank you, 79 Hurst Olds Gut. Is it Gut? Olds Guy. 79 Hurst Olds Guy just became a Diamond Claws member. All the new Diamond Claws members, I'm going to be adding you. These are your maps for Diamond Claws members. And look at here. We got some blank spots. Who's going to join it? And again, we are doing a channel member live stream at the end of this called The War Room. Let's see more questions here. International Stacker, do you track indicators RSI and MACD, MACD on the charts? Andrew, normally, yes, I would, but for this, no. Because what I believe we're seeing is true price discovery. So determining factors like that or indicators like that, I just don't think have much credence right now in the market we're at. And here we go. We're about to take out our next target of 78.16. Let's see if we can do it, guys. We've got a minute and 50 seconds left in this close, and I'm sure it's going to shut down a minute early. They've been doing that lately. So we've really only got 40 seconds. I'll give you guys the 30-second warning here. Woo! The prize winner show, the Mega Gauss tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Your last chance to enter the Mega giveaway. You guys got to be subscribed. 25 ounces of silver, copper, and gold. Buy the Constitutional well under spot. Won't be like that soon. I totally agree with you, Huma Stacker. 90% is the really good deal right now. Let's check gold. I would grease. Okay, I can't read that one. Nice tea cakes. Okay, here we go. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen. I'm officially going to issue the 1-minute warning till market close. The market's going to be closed for the entire weekend. The COMEX via the Globex will start trading again 6 p.m. Sunday evening. The Shanghai Futures Exchange will start trading at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And look, it looks like they already stopped it at 77. Look at this. A minute early, and I think it stopped already. Look at this, guys. The bankers stopped it a minute early. I called that. 77.95. The bankers are in full-blown panic. Poor Mortimer. So it looks like silver's going to close the day at $77.95. That is up a whopping 9.88%. Wow. 9.88%. And isn't Shanghai on vacation the next week? Well, let's see. Chinese New Year 2026. Not till February 17th. So the Shanghai Futures Exchange market that closed at 85.84 will start trading this Sunday evening at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll be streaming live the open of the Shanghai Futures Exchange, and possibly I'll be live streaming the COMEX via the Globex as well. So silver closed the day at $77.95. Gold closed the day at $4,964.62. Man, like 75-ish dollars off of 5,000. That is extremely bullish. Let's look at this. 77.79 for the Shanghai, or for the 77.79 for the futures. Is that 79? Close enough. Yeah. So we finished 70, 80, like 17 cents in backwardation. Super bullish. And the gold to silver ratio stopped at 63.64. We're going to refresh this here. Make sure you're following me at X, previously known as Twitter at Intl-Stacker. International when it fit. And again, enter the mega giveaway. You got to be subscribed. 25 ounces of silver, pounds of copper, and gold. The giveaway is tomorrow evening. And the video this morning, I'll drop this link in chat, has the last password you need for the Mega GA. It gives you an advantage in the Mega GA. Last password. And I'll give you the other link here. The link is already live for the Mega giveaway tomorrow evening. Make sure you go to it, click notify me, and like it, so it notifies you when it goes live, so you guys don't miss it. Mega GA live stream. I'll drop that in chat as well. And guys, keep smashing that like. We're only 30 likes away from 600. I know we can do it. Christopher Hinkley's asking, why don't they just move margins to 100% and stop the madness? Yeah, I'm with you. I wish they would. We'll get there eventually. Okay, we'll close all this stuff. We'll close this stuff. And we'll make sure there's nothing new for me, guys. And then we're going to see if we can find any late breaking news here. And then I'll go like this. I need to fix that. 1 second here. Let me fix one thing. Boop. Perfect. Okay, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to be taking questions and covering news for the next 10 minutes. Next 10 minutes, I'll be taking all your questions, put at International Stackers so they stick out to me. And then channel members, we're going to a channel members only live stream in the War Room in 10 minutes. The Olympics start tonight, and gold and silver medals will mean a lot more this year, says Sparks. Wow, do the Olympics really start tonight? Man, I'm totally out of that news loop. Big shout out to Dan Smoke and Treasures. Thank you so much for being a channel member and that $10 super chat. You, sir, are mega. Help with the shipping for help for shipping me that GA silver. Hey, I appreciate it. Shipping is going to be a lot. Guys, I'm giving away all these bags. All these bags. All these mega bags. All these. All these. All these are coming to you. 25 ounces of silver, pounds of copper, and some gold. Who wants it? Thank you so much. Oh, Designers S Club, it's me, Pikachu. Okay, thank you, Designer S Club. Now that I've confirmed it's really you, not some scammer, I will give you rights for my Discord. Thank you so much, Pikachu. Where do you find the code for the giveaway? This video I dropped this morning. Go to videos latest. The Prague Coin Show. I say a code in there, and it's up on screen, so it's pretty obvious. Let's go to here. That's where I want to be. I'll drop the link in chat here. Channel members are going to the War Room in 8 minutes and 30 seconds. If you got questions, put them in chat. Put at International Stacker. Look at this. Rue on X said went to the store for more dip before they're all out. So he picked up what looks to be 3 American Silver Eagles. Look at that toner. Nice. Who bought the dip? Put dip in chat if you bought the dip, and keep smashing that like button, guys. I really appreciate it. We are only we're only 10 likes away from 600. Who's going to be the 600th person? The Floyd Lawton says Olympic gold medals are 92.5% silver. Wow. I want a stacker bag. Who wants a stacker bag? It's going to be crazy. Okay, let's go down here. Ray Dalio, most investors should have been between 5 to 15% of their portfolio in gold. Wow. Some crazy stats here in the market. This is something. Price collapse from 118 to 1845 per ounce through 74 per ounce. So that's just a recap. And Marty P is saying, what's going to happen during the week Chinese markets are closed for the Chinese New Year? I don't know. That's going to be a week we got to be ready for war. Pink in chat, good to see you, Pink. I'll just take the pocket pinger in a bag and you can give my silver to someone else. Wow. We'll keep that in mind. Look at it. Me buying one more dip. That's funny. Shiba Weeba saying, where do we put the code for the giveaway? You go watch this. Go watch this link. I'll drop it in chat. This link right here will explain everything to you. This video. It will show the giveaways. It will tell you how to register. That will answer your questions. Enter the. Oh my gosh. Mega giveaway here. So I'm dropping that in chat for you. Bam. You guys are running out of time to enter. See if there's any more news here. Channel members, we're going to the War Room in 5 minutes and 56 seconds. Silver is now 2.8 times the CPI line inflation adjusted all-time high. Silver is now 10x away from the M2 inflation adjusted. So look, this is what Gold Silver HQ is saying. If you were to actually M2 inflation adjust silver, which is where many people say it should be, it would have to be $744 an ounce to be at the same level with the M2 inflation. This right here, the 1980 of 208. That's the more accepted version of this, but the M2 is like the real purist would think that. When your wife cashes out the silver stock without telling you. Okay, let's go back here. Did you cover the rate hike 18% that went into effect? Yeah, I covered it a little bit earlier in the stream. Morrow, thank you. Yeah. But just to recap that the COMEX raised their margin, their notional margin rate from 15 to 18. Channel members, we're going to the war room in 5 minutes. I'm trying to find you guys any late breaking news here. Keep smashing that like button. We're only 70 away from 700. Look at this beauty. I don't leave home without my carry silver. Who here has a pocket piece? OB Ron, he's got a pocket piece. Do you guys have a pocket piece? Let us know. Any news of that plant in China taking huge shorts? I mean, that's a billionaire that's taking out 300 million in shorts. I mean, we've got billionaires here that are buying millions, close to $1 billion in silver, physical. So people are just going to play their hands. Tell everyone who Daisy is. Guys, it was not that long ago. I live stream all over the world on Gold and Silver Adventures, and it wasn't that long ago you all told me to get on a camel.
Take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. Eshem here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow. Look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
That was a fun time there. And John is saying there's a rancher on YouTube with videos converting historical gold and silver to farmland, cattle, etc. Yeah, I've seen those videos. They're great. He's great. I love those a lot. And in chat, Raven Rose is saying they have a pocket piece. That's awesome. Commodities Weekly, MicroStrategy. Okay, Atavio is saying perspective, and actually I'm supposed to be following him. The last time silver traded near $65 an ounce was mid-December. Back then, the 14-day RSI was pushing 80, and the sentiment was euphoric. Today, the same price, RSI sends around 30, and the world is panicking. Borrow a line from Buffett. Be greedy when others are fearful. Although I believe we are in a true price discovery phase, I do always consider new pieces of information, and this one is telling. Okay. I like that one. Thank you, bald guy. So breaking news, in the first time ever in history, the Dow officially closes above 50,000. Wow. Channel members, we are going to the war room in 2 minutes. International Stacker, some analysts say 300 to 500 this summer. I mean, anything's possible, Pamela. I'm just focused on 150. And then my next is 208, and then from there we'll figure it out. Let's just get to 150. Silver Dragons just released a video about a guy who was shorting silver. Ah, great, AG Astronaut. So if you guys want to find out more about that, it sounds like Silver Dragons did a deep dive. Go check it out. What's the silver to crab ratio? I think we need to know. Oh, Frezzlefez, that's a good question. I think we do need to know, and I think we do need to figure that out. That could be definitely a funny one, for sure. This piece sold for 3.4 million USD 5 years ago. In other news, a token on the Bitcoin ledger. That's crazy. There it is, the final accumulation. Now we close in a V, and a silver will melt up. Wow. Okay, we're doing the war room countdown now. And you know what I wanted to look here? Let's check out the weekly candle. The monthly candle, we're green still. Channel members are going to the war room in 45 seconds. Let's check it out on gold. Gold, we're a weekly green candle, I believe. Oh, yeah. Okay, for everybody not going to the war room, the next time I'm going to be live is tomorrow night, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm giving away 25 ounces of silver. I'm giving away pounds of copper. I'm giving away gold. It's your last chance to enter. For the love of God, don't miss out. Channel members, we're going to the war room in 19 seconds. You should be taken automatically. Just wait for up to 30 seconds. If not, navigate to my page and go to members, and you should be able to find it there. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you all tomorrow evening at the Mega Channel members, hold your breath. Here we go. Hold your breath. 3, 2, 1.